Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss super profit method of valuating goodwill in partnership accounts. There are three methods of calculating goodwill based on super profit. Let us first understand the meaning of super profit. Super profit is the excess of average profit over the normal profit of a business. For example, in a business, a person invests rupees 1 lakh and he expect a normal rate of return of 10% per annum. How much he will get? He will get 10,000 rupees as profit. Okay. Average profit of the business for the past 4 years is 15,000. The difference between the average profit and the normal profit is called super profit. Okay. Super profit in this example is average profit minus normal profit, that is 15,000 minus 10,000, 5,000 rupees super profit. Now we will see the formula to determine super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. What is average profit? Average profit is calculated by dividing the total of profits by number of years. Okay. Next, normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. What is normal rate of return? Normal rate of return is the rate at which profit is earned by similar business under normal situations. Okay. Capital employed. Capital employed is equal to fixed assets plus current assets minus current liabilities. Super profit is the basis for calculation of the value of goodwill. Okay. So there are three methods. First method, purchase of super profit method. Under this method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Next method, annuity method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated by multiplying the present value of annuity factor with the super profit. Okay. Third one, capitalization of super profit method. Goodwill is equal to super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Next, we will see problems under all the three methods. First method, purchase of super profit method. Problem. Calculate the value of goodwill at 5-year purchase of super profit from the following information. Capital employed 1,20,000. Normal rate of profit 20%. Net profit for 5 years. 2014 30,000, 2015 32,000, 2016 35,000, 2017 37,000 and 2018 40,000. Fair remuneration to the partners rupees 2,800 per annum. Profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. First, we will determine what is the average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit minus number of years. What is the total profit? 2014, 30,000. 2015, 32,000. 2016, 35,000. 2017, 37,000 and 2018, 40,000. Okay. Divided by number of years. How many years? The profit for 5 years. Okay. Now find out the total profit. Total profit is 1,74,000. 1,74,000 divided by 5. We will get rupees 34,800. Okay. This is average profit. Look at the problem. Fair remuneration to the partners rupees 2,800 per annum. We have to find out the future maintainable profit. Okay. all the expenses likely to be come in future are to be deducted from the average profit. So we have to deduct fair remuneration to the partners from average profit. Okay. So average profit is rupees 34,800. From the average profit, how much fair remuneration? It is 2,800 rupees. Okay. Deduct, we will get 32,000. This is the average profit after fair remuneration to the partners. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Next, we have to find out normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed 1,20,000 and normal rate of return 20%. Okay. So how much we will get? Rupees 24,000 normal profit. Now super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. What is the average profit? 32,000. 32,000 minus normal profit. Normal profit is 24,000. We will get rupees 8,000 super profit. Next, find out the goodwill under purchase of super profit methods. Okay. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit 8,000. Number of years of purchase. Look at the problem. 5 years purchase of super profit. 8,000 into 5. We will get 40,000 rupees. Goodwill is 40,000 rupees. Under this annuity method, value of goodwill is calculated by multiplying the super profit with the present value of annuity. Next, we will see one problem under annuity method of super profit. Okay. Problem. From the following information, compute the value of goodwill as per annuity method. Capital employed rupees 50,000, normal rate of return 10%. Profits of the years 2016, 2017 and 2018 were 13,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees and 17,000 rupees respectively. The present value of annuity of rupees 1 for 3 years at 10% is 2.4868. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. First, determine average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Okay. So, what is the total profit? 3 years profit is given in the problem. 13,000 plus 15,000 plus 17,000. 3 years profit, so divided by 3. Okay. How much we will get? 45,000. 45,000 divided by 3 rupees 15,000. Average profit. Next, we have to determine normal profit. Okay. So, normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed given in the problem 50,000. Normal rate of return, it is 10%. Okay. 50,000 into 10%, we will get rupees 5,000. 5,000 is normal profit. Next, find out the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. What is the average profit? 15,000. 15,000 minus normal profit 5,000. We will get 10,000 rupees super profit. Okay. So goodwill is equal to, what is the formula? Super profit into value of annuity. What is the super profit? 10,000. The value of annuity is given in the problem. It is 2.4868. 10,000 into 2.48, we will get 24,868 rupees. Goodwill is 24,868 rupees. Next, we will see one problem under capitalization of super profit method. Under this method, value of goodwill is calculated by capitalizing the super profit at normal rate of return, that is, goodwill is the capitalized value of super profit. Problem: capital employed is rupees 4 lakhs, normal rate of return is 10%, profit for 2016 62,000 rupees, 2017 61,000 rupees, 2018 63,000 rupees. Goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. First, find out the average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Total profit 2016 62,000, 2017 61,000, 2018 63,000, 3 years. Okay. Total profit is 1,86,000 divided by 3. We will get rupees 62,000. Okay. Next, find out the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed 4 lakhs. Normal rate of return 10%. 4 lakh into 10 by 100, we will get rupees 40,000 normal profit. Okay. I hope now you understand super profit methods of valuating goodwill in partnership accounts. Thank you.